Damien speaking. Here is a Polar Night coffee tea set of Cook and Escape. So I like to call this the caffeine kit for the outdoors. So it's a very compact set and everything fits into a kettle. So for the little story about its name, so we call it Polar Night because I live in the Yukon, where in winter we have very, very long nights and we all feel tired. So of course we need coffee. Well, I sure do need coffee every day, and also when I go in the outdoors. So that's a perfect kit to bring with you. So that product feels very high-end to me. It has classy lines, it's elegant, compact, lightweight, made of titanium, so the best metal for to carry in the outdoors because it's strong and yet it's very lightweight. So it has a very nice wooden handle too. So it's very useful because it keeps your fingers from getting burnt. So the main benefit of a kettle is that it boils water very fast. So that plus, a kettle has a mouth that allows very precise control of the water flow. So it's very useful when you're making coffee, of course. Plus, that kettle makes a very useful container. And in that kit, you will find a cup with a lid, a tea infuser, 2 mini cups, and of course it all comes into a very nice mesh bag for easy storage. I don't care which one you prefer, tea or coffee, but you need to be able to brew your own drink. And this kit is the right tool for that, of course. And having a hot drink has mental and health benefits. So already think about that. And you don't need to carry every item of this kit if you don't want to use it. But at the bare minimum, you should carry the kettle and a cup. So I really like the tea infuser, so that little basket you will find in the kit. Because with it, I can make herbal tea. So I can make herbal tea, of course, with commercial herbal tea, but also wild herbal tea. So my favorites are herbal tea with Labrador tea leaves, but I also like to make tea with spruce tips, especially in the spring. So to me, nothing beats the satisfaction of a good hot drink in the wilderness. Why? It's because it's very simple, easy, and very quick to make. And well, I just like the feeling of being there in the moment, in the landscape.